This is where the week's holiday begins. We're just on our way to pick up a camper van, and guess where we're going? Scotland. We've arrived. That's mine for the week. Right, we're on the road, heading up to Glencoe, and I've got myself a co-pilot. In fact, she's actually driving. I'm the co-pilot. So this is her first time ever driving a vehicle any bigger than a micro. I'm going to shut up talking and see you in a little while. Hello and welcome to Glencoe. Here we are. What an absolutely stunning location. I've been taking a few pictures, can't help myself. I've taken a few of the classic shots. It's just absolutely amazing. I don't know what to do with myself at the moment. I need to rein it back in. I'm not a tourist, I'm a photographer. I need to try and remember that. Shouldn't be taking hundreds and hundreds of tourist images as they do, but I just couldn't help myself. We've got these little patches of light, you see around this side over here, you can see this, but these little patches of light just appearing on the snow, and it's just making an absolute gorgeous image. As you can see probably down there, good old Oscar, he's doing a great job for us. We hired Oscar from Classic Campers. They're in Hawick in Northumberland, so if you're after a camper to come up into the Highlands, it's well worth giving them a shout. Back to it, as you can see up here, it's getting a bit choppy. We've been forecast snow, so there's bound to be a bit of snow coming in. If you can see that behind me, I don't know if you can see behind me there, but that just looks amazing. There's little bits of light on the hill, it's fantastic. How's that for a view, eh? Just enough snow on the mountains to make it look good. Yeah, this is absolutely fantastic. So I'm going to take you back down to the van. We're going to head down to Black Rock Cottage, I think it is, and get myself a photo down there. I'll try and set up and show you what it is we're doing down there. I'll give you a shout next time we get back on, which will be down that way somewhere, if I can find a parking space. See you in a bit. Set a camera up and I've taken an image and I think I got the light. We've been driving around all day, we've been up to Glencoe, we've had some chips, that's good. I see this scene in front of me, and if you look there, it was absolutely stunning about 5 minutes ago. The light was shining across it, there was pockets of little light everywhere. The river in front of me is absolutely out of this world. The colour of these rocks down here, they're bright orange, they're reds and orange, and they're really nice. The line leading in now is fantastic. I've got a 9-stop hard gradding just pulling this sky down because it's so dark down the bottom here. I've put a polarizer in as well. I'm going to show you the effect of the polarizer and you'll see how light it gets, and then we spin it back and how much darker it gets. I'm sort of half and half. Settings wise, I was on f8. I bracketed slightly as well because there was the bright bits were really bright. I'm hoping that I managed to get the light in the image. And even though there's no light on those mountains, it's so iconic, it's so nice, I'm taking it anyway. So I've got an ISO 100, f10, and we're going to wind it back, keeping an eye on the histogram. We're on 10th of a second, so I'm going to take this now while you're with me. The highlights are just clipping slightly, but the histogram says it's okay, so I think we're all right with that. First one of the week, well in the bag, and that's cheered me up a little bit, because I haven't seen anything today that stood out different. So yeah, I'm going to set up another little bit of a composition, just change because the light's changed now. Maybe put a long exposure on just to get some of this water moving. So I'll leave you with that one, and catch you in a bit. Bye. Just going back up to the van now after being down by the river there. Very, very short, very, very sweet today. It's all about getting up to Glencoe really. I've shown you a few images probably, and if I haven't, I'm going to show you them now. This is what it's all about. This is where my trip starts. We're in the van. We're at Glencoe, so I'm going to have a good night's kip tonight. Looks like we've got some weather creeping in on us over that direction over there. So we're going to go and find somewhere to have a good evening's kip, get up bright and early, and hopefully get some sort of colour in the sky in the morning. It's given quite good, so I'm going to check out, say goodbye, say thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and please tell your friends, it means a lot. I know this has been short, it's been erratic, it's been a weird one, but yeah. Catch you in the morning. Bye.